2024 Best Motorcycle Brands in the World. Suzuki GSX S. In the dynamic realm of motorcycles in 2024, Suzuki continues to captivate riders with its cutting-edge offerings, and the Suzuki GSX S emerges as a standout model among the best motorcycle brands globally. Suzuki's legacy of innovation and performance is seamlessly embodied in this sport bike, making it a sought-after choice for enthusiasts and riders who demand the utmost from their machines. At the heart of the GSX S lies a potent and refined engine, striking the perfect balance between power and efficiency. Suzuki's commitment to engineering excellence is evident in the bike's performance, offering riders an exhilarating experience on the road. The GSX S is designed for those who crave an adrenaline-fueled ride, with a focus on delivering impressive power across diverse riding conditions. The design of the GSX S is a harmonious blend of form and function, showcasing Suzuki's dedication to both aesthetics and rider comfort. The bike's sleek and aggressive lines, coupled with carefully crafted ergonomics, create a visually striking and comfortable riding experience. Whether navigating city streets or conquering winding roads, the GSX S maintains a dynamic and sporty stance that defines the Suzuki brand. Technological prowess takes center stage in the GSX S, featuring state-of-the-art advancements that elevate the riding experience. The motorcycle boasts advanced electronics, including ride modes, a comprehensive digital display, and connectivity options, catering to the modern rider's demands for information and control at their fingertips. Suzuki has embraced the latest innovations to ensure that the GSX S stands at the forefront of technology in the motorcycle industry. Safety is paramount, and Suzuki has integrated advanced safety features into the GSX S to provide riders with confidence and control. Traction control, ABS, and other cutting-edge systems contribute to a secure and enjoyable journey, emphasizing Suzuki's commitment to rider well-being. Environmental sustainability is a key consideration for Suzuki, reflected in the GSX S with its fuel-efficient technologies. The motorcycle aligns with the global shift towards eco-friendly transportation, delivering responsible performance without compromising on power. In conclusion, the Suzuki GSX S is a standout model in the 2024 motorcycle landscape, showcasing Suzuki's prowess in design, technology, and performance. For riders seeking a perfect amalgamation of power, style, and innovation, the GSX S solidifies Suzuki's position as one of the best motorcycle brands globally, offering an unrivaled experience on two wheels.